Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Salmon Arm, British Columbia, a charming town on the shores of Shuswap Lake in the heart of the Thompson-Okanagan region. The town is named after the salmon arm of the Shuswap River, which was a vital part of the local ecosystem and a key resource for the Secwepemc First Nation, who have lived in the area for thousands of years. The name reflects the importance of the salmon runs that once thrived in the region, playing a crucial role in the lives of the indigenous people and later the European settlers. Salmon Arm is situated in a picturesque setting with the Shuswap Lake to the south and the Monashee Mountains to the north. Salmon Arm began as a small settlement in the late 19th century, primarily focused on logging and agriculture. The arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway in the early 20th century boosted the town's growth, turning it into a bustling hub for trade and transportation. Whether you're here to explore the great outdoors, enjoy the local culture, or simply relax by the lake, Salmon Arm offers a taste of the best that BC has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Salmon Arm, British Columbia.